Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and in this video, let us understand what do you mean by string slicing. As already discussed in the previous video, strings supports indexing. So if I say, for example, write the name equal to Shalini. S we know is at index 0, H at index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and the length will give you 7 because the number of characters SHALINI is 7. So I can definitely say print name square bracket 3. It is going to give me the character at index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, that is L. Now if I say print name of 8, so Shalini has 7 characters, last index is 0 to 6. I'm trying to access the character at index 8. Let's see what happens. So if I run, first one gives me L, but the second one gives me an error saying string index out of range. So when you're trying to access a particular character with the index, make sure that they are within the range of the indexes. Now when you talk about slicing, it basically helps you get a part of a string. Now the way you do it is, the way in range functions, if you remember, the range function had a start value which was default 0, the step value which was default 1, and the stop value, that is, if you don't give anything, it's the length of the string, otherwise stop is ideally mandatory. Same goes with the slicing in strings as well. So if I say print name square bracket, so it's a start colon stop colon step. This is the syntax. Okay, so I'll just comment this out. This is basically start and this is basically stop. Now if I say print name 0 colon 3, correct? So it is going to start from index 0, that is S, 0, 1, 2. It will print SHA because this print 0, 1, 2 as it is end minus 1. So end is what? 3. It will not go till 3, it will stop at 3. Same way if I say print name of, I don't give anything, so start, stop, I'll keep it as defaults, and I say 2. Right, that is the step. So if I just run these two, you would see, sorry, I'll have to comment this out. So you can see the first one gives me SHA 0, 1, 2, and this goes from 0 to the length of the string after every 2 characters. Step is 2. So 0th character is S, plus 2, 0, 1, 2 is A, plus 2 is 4, 2, 3, 4, that is I, plus 2, that is I. So SAII. I can also, so let me take a bigger string now that you have understood. So maybe I can say 8. So now you can see 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It starts from 8 and goes till the end. So you can just play around with the slicing. You can also give negative indexes. So I can say start is minus 1, and suppose I just do this. Okay. So minus 1, it just gives me the first character L, that is minus 1. But by default the step is 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. It stops. If you want it to go backwards, then you will have to say minus 1 colon colon minus 1. So now you can see Shalini Mittal in reverse. So then you can also say, for example, minus, or maybe I can say length of name, right? So I don't have to count the number of characters. So I'm going backwards, and suppose I just do this. You would see it's empty because I haven't given the step. I have to give the step in backwards. So I will have to say minus 1. So now you would see it goes from length until -1, so I get the same, that is Shalini Mittal in reverse. I can even do this. Just if I say this, see. So all the three are going to give you the reverse of the string. The only thing is whichever syntax is comfortable to you, you can use that one. So this is all about slicing in string. It is very important because the same concept will be used in tuples and lists. So make sure that you understand and do practice. Next video, we are going to see the various methods available in strings. Till then, happy learning, take care, and bye-bye.